How to stop FPS drop on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Now, swipe up on all applications to close them from running in the background. After that, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the General option. This section lets you manage your overall iPhone setup. Then, tap on Software Update. Make sure your iOS is up to date, as this helps with performance. Now, go back to General and tap on iPhone Storage. Low storage can cause performance issues and FPS drops. Scroll down to the recently deleted album and tap on Empty. Then, tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm and free up space. Now, go back to the General page. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh at the top, and then select Off to prevent apps from refreshing in the background. Following these steps, you can easily stop FPS drops on an iPhone.